people. Looking at you today, I have no doubt in my mind that our Toro culture and identity is still safe even here in London. It's high time we jealously protect what defines us, from our language, our mpako, our cuisine, social habits, music and arts, just to mention a few. I also thank the people who made the Yega or Toro books. I think Mr. Singe and his wife, and also my auntie, who is also here. I thank you. I thank you for that. Thank you. I've been made to learn that the late King Kaboyo was one of the founders of the Toro UK Association and also a patron. Therefore, I have an emotional attachment to this association, and that said, I accept to be the patron of this association. And continue what the late King had started with many of you as ambassadors of Toro. In the same spirit, I'm extending you my personal invitation to this year's 29th Mpango coronation and a Kyoto Mpango festival in September in the Toro Kingdom. I thank you all. God bless.